What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Mike and this is the Michael Mack channel. So if the first time you're coming over here to visit, please remember to smash that subscribe button and also put the notifications on for the bell. And watch my clickbait videos for everything you want to watch. And
sometimes you just feel tired, feel weak. But when you feel weak, you feel like you want to just give up. But you gotta search within you, try to find that inner strength and just pull that shit out of you and get that motivation to not give up and not be a quitter, no matter how bad you want to just fall flat on your face and collapse. Till I collapse, I'm spilling these.
I must have missed the UPS guy. What do we have here? What's up?
New stuff? New presents? What did you get?
You know what I bought.
You bought the twin turbo?
Yeah, they're over there.
Seriously?
Yeah, I bought the turbos, I bought the wastegates, I bought all the expensive shit.
How much money did you spend?
You don't even want to know.
How much money did you
How
spend?
much do you think I spent?
I think you spent at least a good $7 grand.
Not even close.
More?
Yeah, are you kidding me? It's like 15,000.
You fucking.
What?
You spent $15,000?
Yeah.
With what money?
Money I had. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. I was just, messing around a little different of an intro. So today is one or more of my most exciting videos yet to come. I've been kind of teasing this on my live feeds lately, and it's about to go down. So if you have not been to my channel before, I'm Mike. This is the Michael Mack channel. I currently drive a 2018 Mustang GT. Is it equipped with a Vortex supercharger? The fastest the car has been is 10.0 at 135 miles per hour. My highest trap has been 141 miles an hour. I'm really into the whole drag racing scene. I absolutely love doing YouTube. It really grew on me the last couple months. This is about 6 months that I actually been at it. I have about 2,000 subscribers right now. I try to put out videos as often as possible. I tend to fight with other YouTubers. I love to argue with people. I love people calling people out. That's just kind of like my personality. Come off very arrogant, but I'm really not that type of guy. So I've been having much success lately on my my live stream videos. I've really been enjoying doing the lives. I got my fan base in there, on my subscriber base. They support me, and I've been teasing this for the last couple weeks that I might be switching over to a different power editor. Well, today is the day, guys, that I officially announce what I'm going to be doing. I apologize for the shitty lighting, because usually I like to film outside, but since it gets dark at 4:30 now, I'm really limited on time. Also, those guys that are new to the channel, and the guys that actually come back to the channel to watch my videos, I'm going to be moving into a garage in a few weeks. I was told it was going to be right after Thanksgiving, like the first or second week of December. That didn't work out too well, so now they're shooting for, I guess, the beginning of January. So right now, I'm still in the same situation. I'm going to be rolling on the floor, changing parts if I break something, which I don't think is going to happen anymore, because I've been good. I haven't been going to the track, so I should be good in that sense. But otherwise, I'm going to be starting this custom twin turbo kit. So I mean, that's really what the big thing is. This is going to be fully documented, and I just want to show you a couple things that I purchased so far. This is going to be my first video in a series of videos I will be doing. I'm still going to be doing my other videos in between, but these will all be numbered in numbered order. I'll do volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. So the game plan is I am going to be building a fully custom twin turbo kit, which is badass. You see the smile on my face? Yeah. So I'm going to be working with a fabricator. His name is Keith. He goes by Bean Fab. I know Bean Fab for a pretty long time. I'd say about 15 years I've been around Bean. He's built a few of my friends' cars. He does phenomenal work. I am going to put a link in the description for his Instagram page. He could do any kind of custom fabrication that you need. He's located in Edison, New Jersey. He was one of the original owners of Turbo Tricks Racing. They had one of the fastest fastest Mitsubishi Evolutions and fastest Subaru WRXs in, you know, the mid 2000s. So Keith is a very skilled fabricator. He's very patient, so I know this project isn't going to happen overnight. So I chose to go with him because I trust him. You know, his work is really phenomenal. So I'm going to put up a couple pictures in this video with his work that I'm getting off of Instagram. Got pretty much the most important pieces that I needed. I've got blow-off valves, I got wastegates, and I have two turbos. So that is the biggest thing, is getting this out of the way, because that's pretty much the chunk of, you know, the money. I'm gonna say this is going to be a low budget build. I'm not going to discuss exactly how much I'm into this for. Once again, I do not have any sponsors for this build. This is all on my dime. So, you know, I am going to be cheap. If I have to buy something used, if I have to look around for parts, that's what I'm going to have to do, because I am trying to keep this under a certain amount of money. I am not going to release that dollar amount until I'm actually completed with the project, because, you know, the fabrication is not free. I'm still going to be paying for fabrication. So we're going to have to see how that goes from there. Alright guys, so here are the wastegate setups that I went with. I chose to go with the Turbo Smarts because they're actually relatively small. And, you know, space is a big concern with the Coyote platform, because that motor is a boat. It's bigger than a Mopar land yacht. The motor, there's not tons of room in the engine bay. Hold on, I'm gonna get this out of the package, show you what I'm working with. This is the blow-off valve I'm going to be using. Look how compact that is. I mean, come on, I could pretty much handle the whole thing in my hand, which is pretty wild. It's pretty small. Turbo Smart is a company out of Australia. Those Aussies are crazy. They love turboing. They love boost. They turbo all kinds of cars. So Turbo Smart is an awesome product. A couple years ago, or more than a couple years ago, I've seen a couple negative things about them, but that's total bullshit, man. Turbo Smart is the shit. And I'm very happy to be running Turbo Smart product. So there you have it. You have, oh, that's my stupid little hat thingy. I apologize. I don't have much room where I live. So here we go. I have two blow-off valves right here. Now in these boxes are the wastegates. The wastegates are what control boost. So let's see, let's take these out of the boxes. I didn't even open this stuff up yet. I was waiting for the UPS guy all day, and I fell asleep for like 20 minutes, and the guy must have just showed up and snuck to my door. Oh man, what do we got here? Nice instructions. Oh, I gotta take it out that way. So what do we got here? There we have it. We have a Turbo Smart Comp 40mm wastegate. The reason why I went with the 40 is because I don't plan on running tons of boost, because this is a stock motor still, and these should do the job. And these things are pretty compact too. They don't take up tons of space. They're going to be tucked up in the, you know, in the transmission tunnel somewhere. So I wanted to have as much space as possible. So that's why I went with Turbo Smart. I got a really good deal on this stuff. I mean, I can't complain at all. I mean, I got a really, really good deal. I mean, just put it like this. I'm under $2,000 for the two wastegates, the two blow-off valves, and the turbos. I'm going to show you the turbos I have right now. So give me 1 second. I know I'm taking long and I'm talking. I'm very excited because I didn't open this stuff up yet, so I'm just as excited as you are. There's a bunch of instructions in here, you know, the usual basic poopy nonsense. They give you tons of stickers. But man, this is a very exciting day for me. I've been waiting to break this house for a while. I was just pretty much mapping out my plan of attack and the best way to save money building this car with a setup like this. Because these turbo kits out there are pretty expensive. they get expensive, and they don't tell you they get expensive till, oh, there's the other wastegate. So you start really giving, you know, putting options to them, and that is the whole thing. So there we have it right here. You have 2 blow-off valves. You have 2 wastegates. Now, it's the good shit. Now it's time to show you the turb skis, because I'm absolutely loving all these turb skis. So there you have it. These are the turbos that I chose. I hope you could see them. Woo. Look at them. Look how new they are. I went with the Bog Warner S200 series. These are the 257 SXEs, the 7670s. So the reason I chose these and I didn't go with a precision turbo or a comp oilless turbo is because I could really only afford to do a journal bearing turbo with this setup. So I needed to keep everything in the budget. These turbos fit perfect in my budget, and Bog Warner makes a great product. I've had Bog Warner turbos in the past in other cars. The journal bearings work really well. They have the upgraded wheels. These things were dirt cheap. They did not come with housings. And the reasons why they didn't come with housings is because I haven't decided, like I said earlier in the video, or I'm going to say earlier in the video, or later in the video, what size housing I'm going to use. So this turbo is rated for about 650 horsepower, which is more than enough if I would have went with a Precision 6266. They're rated for about 735 or 705, and if I would have went with like a 5562 from Precision, those things are only rated for about 650 horsepower. So, I mean, it didn't make sense. I went with the cheaper turbo. I'm pretty sure Helion offers these turbos as an upgrade with the sleeper kit. I kind of like how the frames are kind of small. I'm sure they're going to spool really fast. And I'm really not looking to make a ton of power at first. The goal is to make about 800 wheel horsepower on these turbos, and then we will go from there. I'm only going to run wastegate pressure when I first get the car together. So this project is fully underway. I am actually, you know, collecting all the parts that I need. So every time I collect some parts, I'm going to put a new video. I'll explain what's going on, and hopefully the car will be at Bean's shop for the fabrication in the beginning of January. That is the goal, because I will like to have the car done by the middle of February, because I do plan on coming to NMRA in Florida this year to race this car. And, you know, obviously I'll have Rob there doing trackside for me so we can get the car dialed in. I won't be driving the car there. I definitely will be trailing it, because it's like, you know, over 1,000 miles away. But, you know, I'm really excited to kick off the 2019 race season, and I'm very excited to share this project and build with everybody on YouTube, because you don't need to spend tons of money to have a turbo kit. You know, there is options out there. I'm sure in the future people are going to have even cheaper kits. You know, you're going to be able to run something for about $4 grand. I'm projecting this is going to cost me anywhere from, say, $4,800 to $6,000, but I'm getting quality parts. I'm getting the better turbos, so that's important to me. For $6,500, and then I get stuck with the base cast turbos that are pretty much eBay turbos from CX Racing. I rather not do that. So I'm very happy with my decision. Please join me in this. And once again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, smash your computer, smash your phone, just smash that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this journey of Project Salty Donkey.